Hi, I'm Dr. Brant Larsen. Welcome to the video. I want to talk about 12 symptoms of a poor functioning liver. Now before we start, as always, the body does not work in compartments. So the symptoms that you're going to see are not just exclusively liver symptoms, especially gallbladder. Gallbladder and liver work very much hand in hand. So a lot of these symptoms will have crossover. So let's get to it. Number one, digestive issues. Burping, often bloating, intestinal gas, stomach pain, things like this. When the liver can't filter, it can't process how it should, you could get some digestive issues. Number two, food allergies and sensitivities. So the liver's job is to detoxify and monitor what's coming in as far as food. But when it gets clogged up from other things, it can't do that job as well. So very often, if we help people clear out the liver and give it some support and give it a little bit of love, food allergies and sensitivities can be a thing of the past. Number three, chemical sensitivities. I had this when I was in early college. It was awful. Reactions to gas, gasoline, cleaning agents, soaps, cosmetics, cigarette smoke. That was mine. I'll give you a little story. I was up in Duluth going to school, Duluth, Minnesota. Beautiful place, out in the open. And a friend came up to go mountain biking with me. One Friday night, we're going to go all Saturday day because it's just gorgeous up there. And we went out to dinner, and we had those little things that have the little beeping and the flashing lights on them. We're waiting for our seat. And we're outside, and it's nice outside. We're not in a big city. We're out in the open, and about probably 20 feet, 30 feet away, someone was smoking, and I can tell it was bugging me. But I figured, it's fine. We'll be inside soon. Next day, I couldn't get out of bed. That was a chemical sensitivity. So when it hits you that hard, dryer sheets that people are using, crazy amounts of dryer sheets and fabric softener and things like that, that smell, that chemical smell, a lot more people are getting chemical sensitivities. So if you clean the liver though, like I have done over time, you can tolerate those things. The body has less of a burden, so it can deal with these things on a more efficient level. Number four, rashes, so skin things. Microbiome can do this, digestive dysfunction, gallbladder, liver as well. So various kinds of skin problems. It could be eczema, it could be psoriasis, could be rosacea, acne, all the above. Number five, eye problems in Chinese medicine. The eye is connected with the liver. So blurred vision, eye pain, decreasing eyesight, eye flutters, or twitches. Think in your mind there might be some liver connection there. Five, difficulty sleeping. Pretty much anything can cause this because your body is trying to rest and repair. So if you're having trouble with an organ system, especially one like the liver, that's so important, has so many functions, it can keep you up at night. Seven, irritability, frequent anger, depression. Liver is the organ of anger. So if you're angry all the time, it can help lead to maybe more dysfunctional liver, but the reverse is also true. If your liver is clogged, sluggish, it can lead to anger. Eight, tendon and muscle problems. I see this one quite a bit. So I'm a chiropractor. I work with all kinds of athletes and different people, and I don't just adjust them. I need to make sure I'm looking at these things as well, because we have a much better success rate when we're looking at things like the liver and the kidneys and whatnot. So frequent sprains, strains, muscle injuries, delayed healing, tendon and muscle pulls, tendon and muscle problems, the liver controls a lot of that. So I've had disc golfers in. They do disc golfing, and they get this elbow pain. And many of them, I've noticed that they're having it because of their liver is all congested and clogged up. A lot of them are going on like golf course type places, and there's a lot of pesticides there. So their liver's getting more burdened, more backed up, and it starts to go into the tendon and the muscles. You give them support for the liver, aches and pains go away. 9, swelling of the breasts. So the breasts are a storehouse of poisons and toxins as well. So when the liver is all backed up, it goes to the breast tissue. 10, menstrual problems. This is pretty frequently common. Too little or too much blood flow, blood clotting, cramps, These can all be signs of a sluggish liver. 11, testicular problems, same thing. If you have liver backing up, the liver's backing up, the pressure is coming down into the veins, into everything down below it. So testicular problems can be a factor in this too for the males, obviously. 12 is headaches, especially vertex of the head, throbbing headaches. You wake up with a headache, you have a constant headache, think liver. Here's my website, drlarsen.com. So that was the 12. I thought there was 14, but that was 12. drlarsen.com is my website. If you like the video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, give me a comment below. I'm more than happy to answer them when I can. But you can learn more about me here. I'll see you again on another video.